See that there? That's wasted tubing. Any of you guys trying to put these things on? Let me show you the easy way to do it. Don't mess around with the heat gun or with boiling water. What you need is a vise. So here's my vise. Okay. And what I've got in there are some nylon jaws. And they're just holding that tubing just tight so that tubing will not move. Okay? It's not crushing the tubing, but the tubing will not move. Alright? Now you could do the same thing with a couple of blocks of wood and drill a hole through between the two of them, or cut a V in them like this has. But this works great for the 3/8 tubing. For the 5/16 inch tubing, I just took a piece of 3/8 tubing, split it, and slid it over 3/8 tubing so it would fit in here. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how to do this. Let me mount the camera. It's very easy. Take your fitting, remove the clip. Alright? You need something that's going to fit inside of the tubing. This is a 11/32 inch nut driver. Alright? Now watch this. Oh. You also want some lubricant. I've got some lubricant here somewhere. Got some silicone, liquid silicone here. I'm just going to put some of that on there. Alright. Now, I'm going to take that, line it up there. You want to push it and just get it started. Alright. Take a hammer. Done. All the way in. That is not coming off. Alright? Don't mess around with melting it, heating it, boiling it. That's what you want right there.